Hi everyone, welcome back to your companion. This is day 3 of our 30-day Excel automation series, and in today's quick tutorial I will show you one of Excel's smartest feature, which is flash fill. It can save you tons of time when you are cleaning or organizing data. So let's jump right in. So what does flash fill do? It automatically fills your data when it senses a pattern. For example, in column A, I have the data which is kind of combined manner. Like it has the first name, last name, the salary information, and the department to which the person belongs to. Okay, so and now if you want to split it, Excel can do it instantly without formulas. Okay, so here's how it works. In column A, I have the data. So what I did here is I have given some sample data so that Flashfill can identify the pattern. Okay, so like if I have in row 2 as a Mark Jones, the salary and the department, I have segregated data accordingly and filled three sample data so that Flashfill can identify the pattern. And what I will do now is like click on this blank cell B5, and on the keyboard I will type Control E for elephant, and you can see the flash fill has identified the first name from the rest of the data which I have automatically. Okay, so let's do the same for other columns. Call Control E again, and then Control E. Okay, so here's a quick tip. Okay, so maybe sometimes flash fill would not work with your keyboard like a control by pressing the Control E. So in that case you can always go to data tab, and here you have this flash fill option. You can also use flash fill for formatting. Like suppose the department here is operations, right? So suppose if you want to have a prefix RT and then operations, just give the sample data as I'm providing RT operations, and let's see if Flashfill does that. Control E, and yes, you have the prefix for the department here in column F. Okay, and that's how you will use Flashfill for formatting. And that's it for today, my friends. Flashfill is a simple but powerful tool which can save you hours of manual typing. If you found this helpful, then don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more Excel tips, and share it with your friends who works with spreadsheets. Okay,